Good evening, friends. Today again I am back on the topic of the engineering economics. This is my second lecture in the engineering economics, and here we are going to solve in a further topic, okay, of the compound interest problem. Basically, in the last video I have shown to you in a single first one, that is single payment compound amount, okay, that we had discussed, and second we had discussed the single payment percent worth amount, okay. And today I'm going to deal with the equal payment series compound amount, okay. That is third part of the compound interest problem. And also I'll show to you equal payment series sinking fund in this lecture, okay. So let's go with the equal payment series compound amount, okay. So in equal payment series compound amount, okay, it is written as a f by a, okay, I and n, okay. What is all this? I will say to you, okay. Basically what here we are going to do, okay, the main funda is that if continuously, okay, if continuously I am going to pay yearly, okay, then what amount I am going to get in the future, okay. Means that if you draw in a if you draw in a cash flow diagram, is a horizontal line, okay. Here what you are going to do, continuously, okay, from now onwards, means that from zero time we are going to invest some amount, equal amount, okay, equal amount we are going to invest to the number of the year, okay. Suppose this is your n year, okay. Same amount you are going to pay. These are yearly amount that you are going to pay, yearly or quarterly it may be, with an interest rate of I for n years, okay, for n years. Then what amount that I am going to get in the future, this I don't know, this I require to know from on this topic, okay. Future amount I need to know, okay. Since it is your income, so I have to sign it, notation is a positive sign, okay. And all these are going to outflow from you, so this is your negative sign. These are your expenses that you are going to invest, okay, yearly, same amount, okay. How we have written this format, let's know that. See, a it is na, a means that is a fixed amount that you are knowing that, so write here a first, okay. Further, that future amount you don't know, so write in a future here, further divide by a, okay. These are for the interest period and the number of the year, okay. In this it is written as, okay. So let's solve one general problem on this topic. Okay, so better solve on your textbook only. So in the question what he is saying, a 45-year-old person, okay, a 45-year-old person is planning for his retired life, okay. If he plans to divert, okay, rupees 30,000 from his bonus, okay, what bonus he is having, he is going to pay that an investment every year, okay. Every year 30,000, okay, 30,000 he is going to pay in a bank for next 15 year, okay. The bank gives a 12% interest rate compounded annually, okay. Find in a maturity amount value of his account when he is 60 year, means that if now from now onwards continuously if he is going to pay 30,000 per year with an interest rate of 12%, okay, then after 15 year how much amount, what is that future amount that person will get, okay, that I need to find here. Means that future amount I don't know. From this basic on this topic we are going to find in a future amount, okay, by knowing in a present amount that we are going to invest. So first write what all those givens, okay. So this is your 30,000 is your present amount that yearly you are going to pay. So this is your A, notation is A is your 30,000. Okay, 30,000 for the bonus amount. Number of year okay, number of year in is your 15. Okay, further bank gives 12% interest rate. Okay, interest rate I is your 12%. Okay, compounded annually. Okay, compounded annually, and we need to find in a future amount to find. Okay, question future. Okay, so first draw in a cash flow diagram. Okay, use your cash flow diagram. Yearly you're going to invest same amount. Okay, this is your future amount that you are going to get. Okay, same amount you are going to pay, so write it by A. Okay, N is your 15 year, interest rate is your 12%. Okay, right here 1 2 3 4, okay, till 15 year. Okay, that future amount I don't know, that future amount I need to find. Okay, right here negative positive sign. Okay, and here write negative sign. It's not compulsory, but if you write then it's good for you, easily understandable. Okay, the basic formula is that to know that future amount. Okay, formula is that F is equal to A 1 plus I to the power n minus 1 upon I. Okay, here I forget to give you a formula. Okay, in this topic I forgot to write in a formula, so write formula. F is equal to find in a future amount, F is equal to present amount I am knowing A 1 plus I to the power n minus 1, okay, upon I. Okay, now substitute all these value here. A is your 30,000. Okay, 30,000. Okay, 1 plus I is your 12%, so 0.12 to the power n is your 15. Okay, n is your 15. Okay, minus 1 divided by I is your 0.12. Okay, substitute this value in calci, otherwise one format of the formula is given, from that also you can find. Okay, so put in the calci 1.1.12 power 15. Okay, minus 1 divided by 0.12, okay, into 3 10 raised 4. So you are going to get in a future amount 1118391.44. okay, this much future amount you are going to get. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, thank you, and we will go with the next topic. Okay, now moving to the next one. Third is over, that equal payment series compound amount. Now moving to the equal payment series sinking fund. Okay, we will see here now. Okay, so equal payment series sinking fund, it is written as F, A by F. Okay, here we are knowing in a future amount. Okay, that equal amount that I need to pay yearly, that is written by A, we are not knowing this, so we are writing in an upside. for the divided by the future amount, okay, for the interest period and number of year. Okay, here what you are seeing, that we don't know, okay, we don't know in a future amount, sorry, we know in a future amount, okay, but we don't know what amount to be paid yearly to get that future amount. Okay, here we don't know in a sorry, here I know in a future amount, okay, but what amount yearly I need to pay, okay, for n year, so that I will get in a future amount. Okay, so draw in a cash flow diagram. Cash flow diagram, here it is. Okay, you don't know in a present amount, okay, sorry, equal amount that you need to pay yearly or quarterly. Okay, you don't know this amount, okay, okay, that you need to pay, and since it is outflow from you, so it is a positive sign, okay, denoted by a, that you don't know this, with an interest period of I, okay, for n year, for n years. Okay, and what that future amount, that this future amount you are knowing, that is your income. Okay, this is a positive sign. Okay, basically here we are knowing in a future amount. Okay, to get that future amount, okay, what yearly I should pay, what yearly I should pay for n number of year to get this future amount. Okay, so let's solve one of the one problem on this. So let's better go for the on the textbook. So a person estimate an expenditure of rupees 10 lakh, okay, for his daughter weddings about 8 year from now. Okay, from now onwards, in the future, after 8 year, he required the amount of 10 lakh. Okay, he plans to deposit an equal amount, he plans to deposit an equal amount at the end of every year, okay, for the next 8 year at a rate of interest of 11% compounded annually. Okay, find the equivalent amount that must be deposited at the end of every year for the next 8 year. Okay, same thing, see here what he is saying, that he requires in a future amount of 10 lakh. Okay, this future amount, sorry, this future amount, that is 10 lakh, you are knowing this. Okay, further he had said that he plans to deposit an equal amount at the end of every year. This is the equal amount that he need to pay at the end of every year to get this future amount. Okay, so basically in this we are going to find this a value. Okay, what I need to pay yearly at the end of every year to get that future amount. Okay, so write what we were given in a question. A person estimate expenditure of rupees means that this is a future amount. So future f is equal to your rupees 10 lakh. Okay, for his daughter wedding due about 8 year from now. So number of year n is 8. Okay, at an interest rate of 11%, that is compounded annually. Interest rate I is your 11% compounded annually. Okay, compounded annually. So the formula is to find this yearly amount we are going to find. So notation is A is equal to F. Okay, I 1 plus I to the power n minus 1. Okay, future amount you are knowing, that is 10 lakh, 10 raised 5, it is given 10 lakh. Okay, further I interest rate you are having 11%, so 0.11 divided by 1 plus 0.11 to the power n is 8. Okay, 8 minus 1. Okay, So put in calci and get the answer. 0.11 divided 1.11 power 8, okay, minus 1, okay, into 10 raised 6. Okay, so you're going to get the amount, that is what you got, 84321, 84231.05. This much percent yearly amount you need to pay. Okay, this a value you need to pay at the end of every year to get the future amount of 10 lakh at the end of 8 years. Okay, basically in each of the problem you better draw the cash flow diagram. Okay, here it is cash flow diagram. Future amount I know, that is 10 lakh. Okay, this present amount I don't know. Okay, right here 1 2 3 dot 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 up to n equal to 8 year. Okay, you write it clearly here, there is no space, that's why I am writing here in this way. Okay, that a value write it here, 84231. Okay, only one you write, further you write a value. Right here interest period, that is interest year 12%, sorry 11%. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this. Okay, thank you very much.